Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the ping value comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device while playing the PUBG new state. Yes friends, this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare the ping value, and during this time I'll try to use a Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz network. I'm trying to mention again 2.4 GHz network. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of ping value. So which will be having low ping value and high ping value. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first let me show you exactly what is the Wi-Fi connection. Both phones are connected because you should know, right? So I connected 2.4 GHz only. As you can see, 2.4 GHz in the Realme X1 Max, and same 2.4 GHz in the iQOO 7 as well. So both phones are connected to same 2.4 GHz network, same Wi-Fi network. Now I did join in the same kind of team as well, same lobby. So let me just show you the settings as well, what kind of server both phones are connected, because that's also another important thing if you try to consider these ping values. So right now I'm getting both phones are connected to the South Asia server, as you can see exactly same server, right? So same server, both phones are connected, and you're getting different kind of results. Now let's see what happens if you try to play this kind of game. Let's start the game. So right now, as you can see friends, using both phones connected to the same kind of lobby, and finally we'll be entering the match, and now I'll be able to show you what is happening with the exact ping value comparison between these both phones. And the first phone to enter is the iQOO 7 device. At this moment, as you can see, iQOO 7 did enter the lobby at this moment. You can clearly see what is happening. Let me just show you the settings and ping value. Let me just show you what is happening. So iQOO 7, so which is showing about two ping values, 25 milliseconds and 65, and you can see the Realme X1 Max is showing about 18, 22 and 52 milliseconds and 62. Let me try to put this both phones side by side, then you will be able to exactly compare what is going on with the ping value. As you can see, and not only that, there is another separate number as well which has been displayed. Let me just show you the separate ping value which is displayed here. So as you can see friends, in the Realme X1 Max it's on the top, and the bottom one is the iQOO 7 device. You'll be able to see the ping values, what is happening. 57, 47 in the Realme X1 Max. In the iQOO 7 device I'm getting about 61. So try to observe the ping. iQOO 7 went up to 287 milliseconds as well, and the Realme X1 Max is remaining around 53, 60 milliseconds. Not bad. 58 milliseconds. So this is a small crack which is present in the iQOO 7 device. So this is on the temper glass only, not on the phone. So only on the temper glass. So in this way we'll be able to differentiate. So which phone is what phone. So it's pretty easy. So it's the iQOO 7 and Realme X1 Max, and try to observe the ping values, and you are getting about 47 and 43, 40, 48. As you can see, the ping value slightly kind of very close to each other, nothing much huge difference. And there are two different values on the sideways as well, which also displaying some kind of number, which you can actually see in case if you want to know what are those numbers displaying exactly. So 12 and 62 in the Realme X1 Max, 14 and 62 in the iQOO 7 device. And all friends, in the milliseconds, I think the ping values, nothing much huge difference between the ping values, you can see. So 55 milliseconds, 32 milliseconds. The Realme X1 Max was able to maintain 32 milliseconds, little bit kind of okay. And iQOO 7 device, I did get red color at the exactly. So randomly I'm getting red color indication on the iQOO 7 device, even connected to the Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz network. That's something you should definitely understand. So right now the ping value is about close to, I think, 45, 49 ping value I'm getting, 49 sometimes. As you can see friends, randomly it went up to 284 milliseconds. Randomly I'm getting that kind of red color indication in the ping value in the iQOO 7 device, but whereas in the Realme X1 Max it was able to stay kind of close, but even the Realme X1 Max also going up to 270 sometimes the ping value. So regarding the ping value, like both phones are pretty close to each other in terms of the 2.4 GHz, nothing much huge difference. 33 ping values I'm getting, 46 and 33, not bad. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick ping value comparison between both phones. The main reason is because few users, they want to know with the 2.4 GHz how well the iQOO 7 is connected regarding the ping value connection. That's the reason I thought of making a video and explain to you all what is going on as well. So this is using the same kind of server which are connected before, exactly So same server able to show you the settings. I think we cannot see the settings right now, which server it's connected. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.